Hi guys, factoring trinomials. Case 2, when the leading coefficient A is a prime number. Ano yung prime number? Yun po yung factors niya, yung pares po niya is 1 and the number itself, wala na po iba. So 2 factors lang po yun. 1 and the number itself. Yun po natawag natin prime number. Dito sa case natin, basta yung leading term, leading coefficient, pag ang factors niya ay the number itself at saka 1. So, pasok siya dito sa case natin. Find the factors of 5x squared minus 6x minus 8. 5x squared minus 6x minus 8. We have the leading coefficient. So, we will now, A, that's 5. We write that one, then bx, and then c. So, we will now determine the coefficient of the middle term at saka yung sa first term. Leading coefficient natin yung sa first term po natin, highest degree of 2. So, our A now is 5 and then our C is 8. In this case, multiply the A and the C. The leading coefficient or the coefficient of the first term times the constant. That is the last term. So, A times C. In this case, we have 5 and then we have 8. So, multiply that one. The product is 40. Concentrate muna tayo doon sa first term and the last term. The leading coefficient and then the last term, the constant. Multiply that one, 40, and then list the factors. 40 we have 40 times 1, 20 times 2, 10 times 4, and 8 times 5. So, meron tayong pares, 4 na paresa. 4 pairs. Meron tayong 4 pairs. So, take note that we have negative is either one of these factors of pair is negative and the other one is positive. Different po siya. Ang middle term natin is negative 6x. We are going to define the operation and addition and subtraction. We cannot use positive and positive for the addition because the middle term is negative. So, we can only use negative and negative. And then for the subtraction, we have, since it is negative, so automatically, the greater number is negative and the other number is positive. Look back on our last term since we already defined the middle terms. Well, ang last term natin, tingnan natin, negative 8. Yung negative 8 natin, di ba yung last term is resulta po yan ng multiplication, the product po yan, di ba? Okay. Kung yan po, it's either one of the factors, negative or positive. So, positive, negative, negative, positive. Addition natin doon sa middle term na can satisfy the definition of signs doon sa last term na ginawa natin. We will cross that out. Dito tayo sa subtraction. Diyan tayo focus ngayon. Take note na nakadefine yan, greater number is negative. Yung factors na list natin ay i-subtract lang. Ganun lang po. Okay, 40 minus 1, 39. 20 minus 2, 18, 10 minus 4, 6, and 8 minus 5, 3. Greater number yung may negative sign. So, we can automatically negative sign on the greater number. 40, 20, 10, and then 8. Ang resulta po ay negative. So, tingnan natin yung coefficient ng middle term. Ganon. Yes, nakita na natin. So, na meron na pong nakita tayong sagot. Negative 6 na yung factors ay negative 10 at saka 4. Yes. Negative 10 and 4. Kung hindi po yan dyan, nagtatapos yung pag-determine natin ng factors. Kasi, yung ginawa natin yung una, di ba, nag-multiply tayo, is minumultiply natin yung leading coefficient at saka yung constant, yung sa last term. So, babawiin natin yon. Inverse ng multiplication is division. So, divide tayo ng kung anong number yung minultiply natin. So, 5. Okay. Ganito po ang forma nito. Negative 10, isimplify po natin yung fraction na nakuha natin. Negative 10 at saka 5 is negative 2. Meron po yung over 1, right? So, pwede na yung imaginary na lang. Huwag na natin ilagay. Pero para hindi kayo malito, pwede rin ilagay natin. Kasi, dito sa concept nito, meron tayong i-identify na yung nasa numerator ay mga last term. Okay? Factors ng last term. At saka yung sa denominator, factors ng first term. So, pares po yun. Doon po sa binomials. Ito yung nakaparentheses. So, ganito po ang pag-assign yan. So, dalawang binomials yan, di ba? Na minumultiply natin. First term at saka last term at saka first term at saka last term. Okay. We'll now use the negative 2. Yun po ay last term, numerator, di ba? We'll now use the first term. First term muna tayo. First term is, meron yung over 1, right? So, 1. Take note na yung variable natin is x. So, meron yung mga x. Okay. Ang last term lang yung wala. Meron tayong variable na x. And then, 1 yung number dyan. X lang ang ilagay natin. Then, ilagay na natin yung negative 2. First at saka last term din. Kukunin natin yung kalawang fraction natin, yung denominator, which is positive 5. Huwag natin kalimutan yung variable na x. So, lagay natin 5x. At saka yung last term natin na nasa numerator na positive 4. So, lagay natin yung positive 4. Now, meron na tayong factors. So, let us check. Unahin muna natin yung FOIL method. Yung first, tapos yung last, at saka outside, inside. Outside, inside natin, yun po ang addition or subtraction na operation. So, ganito. First term and first term, we have 5x squared. Then, last term and last term, we have negative 8. Tama na po tayo. So, we'll now determine the middle term. Middle term, negative 2, inner tayo. Negative 2 or outer ba? Pwede rin. X times positive 4 is 4x. And then, yung sa inner naman, negative 2 at saka 5x is negative 10x. Or negative 10x at saka yung positive 4x. Different signs po, subtraction po yan. Ang resulta po is negative 6x. Tama po tayo. So, ganun lang po kadali yun. Kung marunong na po kayo dito at saka dito talaga, dapat alam mo yung operation regarding the sign rules. Yun po ang prerequisite para hindi tayo mahirapan polynomials. Dapat alam natin yung mga sign rules at saka power rules. That's all. See you next time. Ang next video natin ay yung case 3 na composite number naman yung leading coefficient.